Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can stretch video in Capcut. So in here, if you want to change the aspect ratio of your videos, you need to probably stretch it. So I'm going to show you how you can do it. So let's go to the aspect ratio first, and here I'm going to, let's say, change the format into an Instagram post format. So click on this one by one format, and to stretch it so that it fits into the canvas. Here you need to use both fingers to resize your video. So let's click on the check icon, and now you can just zoom in your clip like this using both of your fingers. Click on the clip first, and then just stretch it like this by zooming it in. And here you can adjust the position to how you like it, like that. So now the video has been fit into the canvas like this. And if you want to change the aspect ratio again, let's say I'm going to go with 9 by 16, you can do the exact same step. You can just zoom it in or stretch it again like this. Don't forget to also adjust the position again. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks button. Bye.